tonight I'm going to be making the bacon wrapped spinach and herb chicken with you. I always start by labeling my bags with the name of the recipe and the date that I'm making it to go into the freezer. So I started out by cutting my chicken into the right size pieces, and I already slit them because we are going to be stuffing them with our cream cheese mixture. So, and then something else I like to do, and you don't have to, but my family and I like to use the already cooked bacon when we are wrapping it around our meats. I just think it's easier to do. So the first thing we are gonna do is I have my softened cream cheese here, and I already microwaved my spinach and herb seasoning with my water, and it's been cooling for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna mix this in with my cream cheese. So, and then we will be using this to stuff our chicken breasts once we get it all nice and stirred. So, and I found that sometimes it's easier to warm the cream cheese up just a tad too, to help make it mix a little bit easier, but for time reasons, we'll just deal with it tonight. So it's looking pretty good now. So what you're gonna do next is we're gonna stuff our chicken breasts. So your chicken breasts, actually, hold that. Yeah, we do want to stuff them. You're gonna want to make sure that your chicken breasts have their slits in them. I already did that, and I cut off some of the fat off my chicken breasts. So you're just gonna take and put some of the mixture into the chicken breast like that. So it's really easy to do. So I'm just gonna do a couple on screen here with you and then show you the next step. So I'll be right back. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, and then we're gonna use our seasoned salt. We need, we're starting with 1 teaspoon, which I'm not gonna start with that obviously because I only have 2 breasts here, but you're gonna sprinkle that all over your chicken breasts. And then we're going to be taking 2 slices of bacon per breast of chicken and wrapping it around. So, like this. And like so. And I normally end up doing a little bit extra bacon when we use the uncooked or the already cooked stuff, just because you can tell it's a little bit smaller because it's already been cooked. So once you have all your breasts stuffed and wrapped and seasoned, you will put more seasoning salt on the tops of them, and then you're going to individually wrap each chicken breast and put it into your gallon size freezer bag. And then you want to make sure that you get all of the air out of the bag, because air is not your friend when you're freezing stuff. Have a good night. Bye.